To solve the absolute value of 3x minus 7 is less than 6. So if we have a less than and an absolute value, we're going to start with the opposite of the number we're comparing. So 6 becomes negative 6. We keep that less than symbol. We write what's inside the absolute values, 3x minus 7. And then we keep the less than 6 just as it is in the original. So there we've created our double inequality. And then from there, we solve the double inequality. So trying to get the x alone in the middle, we want to move the minus 7. So we add 7 to all three parts. So we get 1 is less than 3x is less than 13. And then to get the x alone in the middle, we also need to divide by 3, again to all three parts. So we get a third is less than x is less than 13 thirds. If we wanted to write that in set builder notation, we would write our brace x such that, and then this exact thing, 1/3 is less than x is less than 13 thirds, and close it up. That's if they ask for set builder. If you're asked to graph it, and we find our 1/3 and 13 thirds on our graph, then we want an open circle since it's strictly less than for a third, an open circle since it's strictly less than for 13 thirds, and x is between those two, so we put our line between the two. So that's if we're asked to graph. And then if we're asked for interval notation, we start at the smaller number, 1/3, and it gets a parentheses because it's strictly less than, and go up to 13 thirds, our largest number, and also gets a parentheses because it's strictly less than. So depending on what you're asked, those are the different ways that you can express your answer.